Hello dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the Khelo India program which is introduced by the government of India. The importance of sport and fitness in one's life is invaluable. Playing sport inculcate team spirit, develop strategic and analytical thinking, leadership skills, goal setting and risk taking. A fit and healthy individual leads to an equally healthy society and thus a strong nation. The Khelo India program has been introduced to revive the sport culture in India at the grassroots level, building a strong framework for all sport played in our country and establish India as a great sporting nation. The first Khelo India Games, which are a part of the Khelo India program, were held from 31st January to 8th February 2018 in New Delhi, in which athletes of under 17 years of age were invited to participate across 16 disciplines. Means there are total number of games and sports were 16, which are as follows: archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, football, gymnastics, hockey, judo, kabaddi, kho-kho, shooting, swimming, volleyball, weightlifting, and wrestling. So these were the games and sports which were introduced in the first Khelo India program, which was held from 31st January to 8th February 2018 in New Delhi. So that must be followed in the next games also. Now we are going to discuss about the objectives of Khelo India program. As you know that objectives are the states which we can use to attain our ultimate goal. So there are few objectives of Khelo India program decided by the government of India that must have to be attained to attain its highest aim. First one is play field development. Wherever the players are playing, that field must be developed and should be standardized and safe. There should be community coaching development to provide sport coaching from community from those of experienced players in a related field. State level Khelo India centers can be developed through this program. Annual sport competition can be conducted to search for talents and their further development. Utilization and upgradation of sport infrastructure can be done using this program. To support national, state, regional sport academics, this program help a lot physical fitness of school children. One of its main objective to provide curriculum and helping school for development of fitness of children. One of another its main objective is to promote the participation of women in the field of sport. Other than these objectives, we have sport among people and disability. Those are not physically completely fit. There should be some games and sport competition organized for them so that they come in the mainstream with confidence. Sport for peace, to develop and promote atmosphere for sport for promotion of peace, friendship, togetherness and cooperation in the society. So these all are the objectives of Khelo India program by the government of India, and hope so you have understood all the points very well. And today's assignment related is you have to write any 5 objectives of Khelo India program which find more important to you. You can write it down and write few lines about each. So this is the today's assignment. You complete it and keep it safe. Till then, have good food, remain at home and exercise every day. Thank you.